Airspeed live, gauge screen, annunciator clear, 60 knots, cross check. And now your hand moves to the yoke when you rotate.
85,
Yep.
positive rate of climb.
Your flaps, trim for those bars.
Yep.
And put your fingers on the rail and be ready to turn on the autopilot as soon as you're trimmed. You want to verify the D-bars are in the blue. The airplane's doing as commanded. Airspeed is stable, 130. Go to Filch or IAS.
Yeah.
IAS, because you're right at 130 knots. Go for it. IAS.
Yep.
Yep. And then before you call her, give your flow a check. So auto. Landing light comes off. Everything else up there looks good. Temperature's warm enough that we don't need any other. I'm
not going
to see you touching that. I wonder why. It's set correctly.
Yeah, okay. It's a serious thing, and I'm getting over it.
So if you bump that at a critical time, low down, it could change your life. Yeah.
Yep. So I'm going to do direct enter.
Now, visible moisture is present, but OAT is still plus 14, so we're no rush on the ice.
407, turn right heading 300.
300, and what are you showing on that weather over Sanford right now, connection 407?
Connection 407, I show heavy precipitation. It's over Sanford Airport at this time.
Oh yeah, we're just going to cancel IFR, we're going to go divert to Leesburg, connection 407.
The reason I've zoomed in, or ranged in rather, is to keep an eye on this guy.
Bravo airspace, resume all navigation to Leesburg.
You can see that shower there is just west of Carl intersection, so even if we don't see it anymore because it's off the scope, we don't want to make that turn until we're past Carl.
Got it.
Or till Carl's down here, I should say.
And we are November 5358
and then by then, we need it right away, or we need a left turn for obvious reasons.
November 58 Delta, roger.
We're going to get a little bumpy here in a minute.
November 9413 Hotel, line approach, squawk 0373.
0373.
See the shape of this one here?
13 Hotel.
November 58 Delta, contact Orlando 119.4.
Thunderstorm.
Orlando
no,
119.4.
It means it's got a lot of energy. If it's
November 47 Hotel Papa, turn right heading 260.
260, 47 Hotel Pop.
So we have one data block, or one data link lightning strike, but nothing on the storm scope.
I'm going to take it off.
Yeah, we got one over there on the storm scope. It should be okay. Yeah.
Okay, 13 Hotel's turning to 230.
We'll take this heading for a while.
West side.
One of the problems with the radar is once you turn away from it, you can't see it anymore. So if he gives you a 90-degree turn, you have to be willing to just take it and then take it back. It doesn't work out for you.
29er, copy. 13 Hotel.
November 941. November 9413 Hotel, I would recommend a right turn heading 360.
There's lightning right
try to
there.
approach Stanford Airport from the north.
So we can accept no closer. In fact, we need to continue to move away from it.
Ooh, did you see that? Oh no, it's just that's nothing.
Yeah, that's just the light filtered through the clouds.
I'd recommend Executive Airport.
But there's
about 1 miles southwest of
air to ground lightning
and
at
there's no precip in that vicinity.
3 o'clock, 10 miles.
Okay.
Right where that data link strike is there, probably.
We'll consider Executive.
November 9413 Hotel, Sanford advises they just went IFR. What are your intentions?
Let me think about this a minute.
November 47 Hotel Papa, to set and maintain 3000.
3000, 47 Hotel Pop. Oh, we threaded that weather, didn't we?
Yeah, quite handily. The only thing that was a little bit of a surprise was the close-in lightning.
37.
But you could see that it wasn't a threat to us per se. It just you know, a violation of our rules that we did not anticipate, but since we didn't do it intentionally, there's no violation.
Hotel Papa, 5 miles from Herney, turn left heading 100, maintain 2000 until established on a localizer, cleared ILS, runway 7 approach.
100 on the heading, 2000, and cleared for the ILS 747 Hotel Pop. Over to tower 47 Hotel Pop.
But you ID'd it, you've armed it.
Yep, okay. LNAV. And Executive Tower 47 Hotel Pop on the ILS 7.
November 47 Hotel Pop, Orlando Executive Tower, runway 7, clear to land.
Clear to land, 47 Hotel Pop.
So, loc centered, glide's present, not alive yet. So the next thing we're looking for is the glide to go from armed to active.
Yep.
And everything is done. We're on speed. All the flows are done. You know, you might double check DA or something else that you
That's
need
300.
to know.
It's 300, 306.
Glide's alive.
And that should actually be at the, when it crosses that, it should be at the Maltese cross. It'll jump up, and then I'll
Sierra 4, Sierra Delta, remain north of the final for runway 7 for traffic on a 6-mile final.
Once you're going down, and you are going down, gear down,
flaps down.
Nacho flaps, power to 300. Right away, no delay, yon delay.
Like that, yon delay. All right, we got
That's
3
like
greens.
magic. And I'll bet, I mean, I'm going to go out on a limb here. I'm going to go way out on a limb here. I'm betting there's a runway in front of us.
I'm not looking just yet. Nacho down to 300.
Tower, hold short, runway 7.
Oh, okay, we're at 130 now, it's 300 pounds.
One less bit of
Clear the upwind to runway 7.
last bit of analysis.
Yep, I see it on the go around. Would be ugly.
Would be an issue.
055, runway 7, cleared for takeoff.
Here's the runway.
055 on the heading, cleared.
So we're good on this.
Yeah.
Number 7 Hotel Papa, citation 550, departing prior to your arrival.
47 Hotel Pop.
Alright, so weather's not a threat. Unless we have to miss. So let's give that a consideration.
A little bit of power in there.
Yep, keep it 110 to 130.
Yep.
500.
So we're looking for 120 on the airspeed, so keep adjusting that. Autopilot off.
I'll get it.
That's it. That's it. Take your time. Take your time.
Disconnect.
Good. Looking for 90 over the numbers, so it's time to start pulling.
I am.
Good. And just run that trim with your left thumb. Look way downfield. 3 green, runway appears clear. You're putting it across control. Don't do that.
Okay.
And now just press the rudder if the nose is misaligned.
Street cross runway 7
nice.
at runway 13 and
nice.
proceed the right.
Center the pedals. Don't work the rudders back and forth. Press hard with both
I've got no beta yet. Just hold on a second.
All right, so back pressure and brakes first. That's it.
There we go.
All the way back. Back pressure and brakes. Yeah. All right. Relax. You're at taxi speed. Very good. Nicely done.